In this video, we'll be solving reinsurance on MS Word. Let's take this question. Loss amounts under a class of insurance policies follow an exponential distribution with mean 100. The insurance company wishes to enter into an individual excess loss of insurance arrangement with retention level M set such that 8 out of 10 claims will not involve the reinsurer. Find M. For a given claim, let XI denote the claim amount paid by the insurer, and XR denote the amount paid by the reinsurer. Find expectation of XI and expectation of XR. So let's do the first part. Let's write first part. Let's say let X follow, and now I'll insert an equation alt equal to EXP of 1 by 100. Okay, because the mean is 100, so lambda will be 1 by 100, and we'll come out of the bracket. Denote the individual claim amount random variable. A claim will not involve the reinsurer if X is less than equal to M. So I'll insert alt equal to write less than equal to M. Okay, so therefore we can write in the next line that let's insert an equation that F in subscript I need to write X bracket M is equal to probability X less than equal to M is nothing but equal to 0.8, which is given in the question. So we can write on alt equal to that 1 minus e to the power minus m by 100 is equal to 0.8, or let's say I'll just write e to the power minus m by 100 is equal to 0.2. And if I just come down to the next line, we can write continue that m is equal to, taking logs on both sides, minus 100 ln of 0.2. Okay, which is nothing but equal to, when you solve in a calculator, 160.944. Okay, so this is what is my first part. Now let's come to the second part. The second part is calculating the mean and of the insurer and the reinsurer. So first we'll write the equations for the mean of the insurer and insurer is certain equation alt equal to, so if you see I'll go to this brackets and we'll go to cases. Okay, so this is our cases. If you see, I need to write 2 for first for XI, which is my insurer, is equal to X if X is less than equal to M, and down M if X is greater than M. Okay, and similar thing I'll just copy and paste it on the side. Tab you can write, so that is R is, in the first case it's 0, and in the second case it's X minus M if X is greater than M. Okay, very simple. Now we'll find out the expectation of XI. Just keep on inserting equation. Expectation of X underscore I, if I write, it becomes expectation of XI equals to, you know, integration has to be done 0 to M. So for writing integration, backslash int underscore 0 to the power M, I need space, and this gives the integration of 0 to X f underscore capital X and bracket में small x dx. Okay, plus we need again a backslash int, you need, just came on int, then you need m underscore m to the power infinity. So infinity is again backslash inf. Inf does not work. If did not you can just insert it from your infinity. Okay, and then next part is m f underscore x at x and dx. So this is my expectation of xi, and if you want it to be in line, just put a space and it will come in the line. And then we'll press tab equal to, again alt equals to, you need to solve this. So backslash int underscore 0 to the power m needs to be capital. We need to make sure that this works. X, then we have 1 by 100, and then x into 1 by 100 e to the power minus x by 100. Okay, and then dx, and then plus we have m to infinity, which is now become m into probability x greater than n. We know this, it is easier. Come down, press tab equal to, alt equals to, again an equation. Now to solve this, we have a square brackets minus x e to the power minus x by 100 space, your brackets get closed, underscore 0 to the power m, and this becomes like this in the limits, plus you have again your integral, because now we have to solve this m into px greater than m. So backslash int 0 underscore 0 to the power m, and then you will solve your e to the power minus x by 100. There's an extra n which I got inserted. Let's just remove this. E to the power minus x by 100 dx, and then the extra part, which is the m e to the power minus m by 100. Okay, and this we got it. We come down, tab equal to, alt equal to, and we are again here in the equation. So 0 to m e to the power minus x plus e. Now we'll solve this on the basis, let's break this. So this becomes nothing but backslash int underscore 0 to the power m, and then e to the power minus x by 100 close, this goes up, dx. Okay, this is what we are remaining with. And then we come down, tab equal to, alt equal to. Now we break this, putting our values, we get minus 100 e to the power minus x by 100 close bracket close, underscore 0 to the power m. Sorry, underscore 0 to the power m. So this becomes like this, and then if you put your values equal to, alt equal to, this is nothing but 100 into 1 minus e to the power minus m by 100. So this solves this, and bracket close. Okay, and then if you put your m using m equal to minus 100 ln 0.2, which we got in the last step, we'll see that expectation of, I'll just put expectation of x underscore I is equal to 100 into 1 minus e to the power 100 ln 0.2 close divided by 100. Let's go in the numerator. Okay, this is like this, and then close bracket. Okay, so this will make, if you solve in the calculator, the answer comes to 80, and hence alt equal to expectation of x underscore r is equal to expectation of x minus expectation of x underscore xi, which is equal to 100 minus 80, which is equal to 20. So this solves our reinsurance sum on Word. Okay.